Hey there, fam. Okay, today's pain point is I'm actually hanging out in my kitchen. I got to do some things, so I'm going to do this pain point while I'm doing something else. I know it's not good to multitask, but I'm going to do my best to pay my attention to my video and do a little something, something, something. So, today's pain point is my website sucks. First and foremost, if you realize that your website sucks, then of course you're going to want to do something about it. And I'm often like just a little puzzled when people think their website sucks, because a lot of times I don't think it necessarily sucks. Is that they're probably comparing themselves to other people's websites. And my thing is this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to say about when people like have issues with their website is this. If your website is not mobile friendly, then yes, it sucks. Because most of the time when people are trying to find out information about your business, it is online. So it always needs to be mobile friendly. And I just can't believe that we're in a day and time where people are not making sure that their websites are not mobile friendly. Hello? Anyways, so let's think about this. So if you're an entrepreneur and you want to try to figure out how to resolve this particular pain point, these are a couple things that I think you could do in terms of helping those ideal customers. One is it's like help them research other competitors, right? And what their websites look like, and how ideally like what their website could look like. And a lot of times I tell people I do that all the time. I research other people's websites, and I definitely steal ideas from other people because I know that they didn't invent it. And they weren't the first ones to invent it, and I'm not going to be the first one to invent anything anyway. So, I mean, and they say copying is the best compliment in the whole wide world. So research other people's websites and check them out and see what you want to do and how you want to make it work for you. And see what will work for you and your customers, because copying people is not always going to, it's just not necessarily going to always benefit you. So know that. The other thing you could do as an entrepreneur, if you want to help people who think that their websites suck, is offer trainings on how they can edit their website, how they can improve it, how they can make things better, plugins. I mean, one of the things I really love more than anything, I love different bloggers who talk a lot about the plugins and all the different stuff that you need to do in terms of making your website safe, in terms of security, how to use SEO. I mean, just so many opportunities out there to, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to do this little thing in my kitchen. Different ways to make my website better, and also just different ways for me to be thinking about my website, because a lot of times I just think, oh, it's up, so that's all I need to do. And the reality situation is that you probably need to be doing something on your website. And then last thing you know, offer to make it better. If you're a website developer, what you want to do is create a sales system so that you can teach people about how you can make their website better and be specific about it. So when it comes to the pain point, my website sucks, as entrepreneurs, you can either teach people how to do the research and the necessary work to make the change on their website, or to be able to compare and understand what works and what doesn't work. 2, you can offer training so that they could do it themselves, kind of DIY. Or 3, you could just straight out do it yourself. So I think a lot of times people are not going to necessarily realize that their website sucks. Like I said in the beginning, if it's not mobile friendly, as far as I'm concerned, it sucks, because most people are accessing website information on a mobile device. So when you educate people about that, automatically you're kind of meeting the needs of their pain point. So that's my 2 cents, family.